So, but if we have this example now, everything is correct, besides the 3 was not detected. So I just draw a selection rectangle here. And now you see here in the node toolbar, this little 3. This is the tuplet button. I could also press 3 on my keyboard. So now we have this. I also do this here. I press 3 and the tuplet is set. In this case, a triplet. I can also double click on this to select a different tuplet. So we don't only have triplets, we also have quintuplets, everything that you can imagine. You can also set yourself a various number. You can also choose to show the tuplet or not to show them. You can choose how they will be displayed. So with a triplet wing or not with a triplet wing. And the triplet wings are mostly the problems because they appear in all different kind of shapes. And now you could apply this also to all tuplets. So every tuplet has this kind of combination.